There are only 3 elements to this simple little recipe. We've got seeds, so I'm using pepitas, which you might know of as pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds. Alternatively, you could use nuts if that suited your particular diet style. Nuts like Brazil, cashew, they work really well in this recipe. So we're just going to add those to the grinder. So next up, I've got some Himalayan salt. And lastly, I've got some nutritional yeast. Nutritional yeast is going to add that extra cheesy flavour to the Parmesan, as well as giving it the characteristic yellow colour. So what we do next, you just grind it until it's a nice fine powder. A couple of pulses is the best way to do this, I find, because if you grind for too long, the fats are going to burst out of the seeds and then it goes like a paste. You don't want a paste. So this here is great. That's exactly how you want it to be. So how quick and easy was that? Because it's so quick to make, I usually just make it up as I need it. But if there are any leftovers, I'll store them in an airtight container in the fridge for about a week.